Hello, my loves. Welcome back to another Tattoos and Food. Today we are enjoying some shrimps, some fried shrimps with some yum yum sauce. And I know you only see me halfway, and it's actually because I want to focus more on the food and less of me. So I have some fried shrimps. That's my kitty cat. I have a new cat, but we'll talk about that later. And I have some egg rolls, a pork egg roll and a shrimp egg roll. I don't know which is which right now. We'll find out when we eat. So I have some of that, I think it's duck sauce that comes with it. I have sweet chili sauce, but since this came in the package, I was like, let me try it. Yeah, and this yum yum sauce, I'm gonna explain. But let's begin. Oh my God, she or he, I don't even know. I hope doesn't disturb throughout the whole video. Oh God, that feels good. All right, guys, let's try this fried shrimp with this yum yum sauce. Oh no, you're not. Oh wow. Wow, that's good. So we have a store around here that sells these shrimps, and they come in this sauce, so I decided to look up the recipe. It's steaming. That's a shrimp one. So all the recipe is, I'm thinking I should put the cat away, huh? You wanna come say hi? Come. I want you guys to see her. I'm gonna have to put her away. Give me 1 second, guys. Be right back. All right, guys, sorry about that. Obviously, I can't do a retake because I already bit into my food. And you know what? I actually am okay with the whole not editing thing. You guys have to see it for all that it is. So anyways, I wanted to show you the cat. She's a cute little kitten. Black, beautiful eyes. But she's not up for it. Okay, back to this yum yum sauce. It's mayo. It's ketchup. It's onion powder, garlic powder, sriracha, cayenne pepper, salt, sugar, and paprika. Oh my God, that's good. This is the pork. I think I like the shrimp more. But the sauce. You guys are gonna be so annoyed with that cat. I haven't put a name yet. Well, we haven't put a name yet. I was thinking Salem, like from Sabrina the Teenage Witch. guys remember the black cat, Salem? My boyfriend doesn't like it too much, so. Really, really good. Your girl needs a breather. Girl needs a breather. So I switched that duck sauce for the sweet chili sauce. Look at that color. Oh! That's a strong tan. I just opened it. I hadn't tried this brand. This is a good egg roll though. This one, it broke while I was frying it, and for some reason it looks like all the oil just seeped in. I don't want to eat it and then get a tummy ache. But this sauce is worth doing. I love me a good egg roll. I haven't been feeling so well lately. I think it projects on my videos. I've been feeling very sick, but thankfully tomorrow I have my first OB/GYN appointment. We're going to see that the baby is, you know, well in place and all is good. I'm so excited about that. So in tomorrow's video, you guys will get all that good news. Yay! Do you guys like those videos where people just have it really close up to their mouth? I'm thinking of making a few like that. Only because you can really see the food. Tell me what you think. Should I? With my other pregnancy, my daughter, I craved, well, actually my son too. I craved a lot of fruits. Cold, juicy fruits. It seems to be happening here too. These have mandarin inside. See the mandarin? My daughter's getting closer and closer because she likes these. So she saw the other one over there that I pulled out for her. So she's like coming closer and closer. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me on another video. I love you all. I can't wait to share the wonderful news that I get from the doctor tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Go ahead and like this video right here. Leave me a comment. And hit the notification bell so you can get notified when your girl uploads a new video. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.